Microsoft is being absolutely manipulated right now. You can see that there was this very nice falling wedge on the charts, but I think what really greased investors this time around was that they recently revealed that, hey, their AI cloud growth isn't as good as they thought it could be, or it's not going as good as they thought it could be going. So they had earnings, and they had earnings yesterday night. They blew it out of the water on the earnings side of things at 6%, and revenue was up 1.2. Great surprise, but it was priced in. Now, chartforecaster.com was warning of peak momentum here 9 days in advance. So you can see that it's got days here where it's predicting that we're going to get a reversal. We're going to see some bullish or bearish momentum start on February 5th. Same thing on the technically the 1st, but that's a Sunday, so Monday's open. We'll see a reversal. But with Microsoft, I mean, you can see that Chart Forecaster, since this thing's been plugged into Microsoft, has been just nailing the predictions 9 days in advance. Was calling for a momentum peak area here, a reversal here, bullish or bearish momentum to start here. We're looking at a volatility spike here, and a breakout or a breakdown. It called the peak momentum area here. Another reversal. You guys kind of see where this is going. Here's another bullish or bearish momentum starts building. Another volatility spike and breakout. So we got the peak momentum. We knew it was coming, right? And we could see on the charts that this was the point in time, was January 29th. January 28th, 29th, somewhere in there. This was going to be the peak momentum area. Price was coming up. We knew 9 days in advance that this was going to be a peak momentum area. So I'm not surprised that the bottom fell out here, but I know a lot of people are, because this pattern here was very bullish. Very nice, long, multi-month, 6-7 month long pattern that was forming. And I think that a lot of people that were, selling puts are now kind of worrying a little bit. But it is what it is. So I'm not trading Microsoft at this point in time, fresh off these earnings. This is some volatility. And if it comes down to $388, I may evaluate price structure, because right now there's just no structure for me to trade off of. We've got a broken falling wedge. We've got some points here that I would like to see price action hit. Until we get a nice pattern formed, I mean, who knows? Maybe, guess what? We could be gearing up to see a comeback, and maybe there's going to be a little inverse head and shoulders that forms here. But I'm not confident in that until we at least get that right neck and shoulder neckline. So I don't know, guys. I'm going to be really paying attention to this thing at least for the next couple weeks. I'll be tuning in. If there's any good developments, I'll create a video. So that's why you should subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.